So going into today's session, let's look at EU, and today is the 24th of August 2026. And looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we have this bearish breakout structure. After that, price pullback into the EQ of the leg over here. So purely looking at the structure, it is a bearish structure over here, and this is where price usually tend to react and push towards the downside. So if this bearish structure wants to continue, this is the area, or even if price come into the daily supply, we can expect a continuation to the downside. So purely on the basis of structure, this is what I would be thinking. Maybe we could have one more push, but you can see we have been having a rejection over here, 2 daily rejection candles. So maybe the pullback could be starting soon. So I would be cautious over here, looking for any long positions over here, because we have come into such an area where price could reject. Now we can expect a pullback anytime soon. So let's see on the H4. So looking at the recent price action on the H4, you can see price is currently sideways. This H4 demand failed to push price to the upside, and to expect a pullback, we need to have a break below this level. Once we get a break below this level, we know that the pullback is starting, and we can look for shorts, which would be a higher probability because we are coming from such kind of area. So right now I'm not looking for any long positions on EU. I'm only waiting to see a start of a pullback so I can play the pullback. So maybe there could be one more push into this daily supply and then see a pullback, or from here itself price can just break below and we could see a start of the pullback. So from the H4 perspective, this is what I'm saying. Let's see on the H1. So looking at the recent price action on the H1, you can see that we're currently in a sideways price action over here. We could have one more push if that is happening, and from here we can look for shorts expecting a pullback, or if price breaks below this level, we know that the pullback is starting, and from the fresh supply over here we can look for shorts towards the downside. So from the H1 perspective also, you can see that there's not much going on over here. I'm just waiting to get information that the pullback is starting so I can look for shorts. So going into this session, this is what I'm thinking on EU.